Hello. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel where quality is attainable. Hope you're doing good. In today's video, I will share with you interesting ladies short sleeve tops, long sleeve tops. All right, in the store, lots of new sweaters in the store. Mostly in size large, and most of them are new in the store, which means they are available in other sizes for the same price. Okay, here I'm looking at this suit. The color combo on this one is excellent if you ask me. Okay, with extra one button, and this is by this brand. If you know this brand, don't play. This one was $88, and today you get it for $39.99. All right, here I am looking at this well-made sweater by DKNY. It's high neck sweater. We are actually doing high neck this season with two deep front pocket. Look, this. Okay, here we have this plaid. The color combination on this one is so good. This is oversized in size large, and this one is $16.99. Look at this one, and this is $16.99 in size large. Okay, if you want to see most sweaters in size medium, check out my last video. Yeah, this one this is $24.99. Here we are likely to see more of size large to them. Okay, look at this one with this bow on it, nicely beaded. Very good. This is so girly, and I love it for that. Yeah, and this is in size large for $19.99. Okay, and here is another sweater, zip-up hoodie. Is that? Oh yeah. And this one is $24.99 in size large. Okay. And here we have this nicely cropped leopard sweater. Okay. This is $32.99. Yeah. And here we have this one in size large for $19.99. Here we have this hat and sweater set for $22.99. Okay. Look at what we got here by CK. Nice oversized sweater. This was $79.50. Today you get for $24.99. Interesting. Here we have this well-made sweater. The quality on this one feels so luxurious. And the hanger says size extra large. Let's see what the woven tag said. The woven tag said size large, and this was $79.50. Today you get this for $24.99. I like this one so much. The quality feels so nice. I love it for $14.99 by this brand. Okay, yeah. All right, here we have this very simple high neck sweater, long sleeve sweater. This one is $10.99. Here we have this very simple one. Okay, after this, I'll take you to handbag section. Let's see what they have there. This is interesting ivory color in size large. And store price for this one is just $8.99. So good. The price is so good for the quality. Let's go. Two gifts. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Look what we got here. I'm loving this. Anna Clean. This looks so cool. The color is so good for $27.99. Interesting shoulder bag. For $27.99, you can never go wrong. I love this one. Let me try this on. Oh, okay. Let's keep going. I may pay for that bag. I love it. And this one is $17.99 by GC Couture. Lots of new black handbags. And this one is by Nightways for $26.99. Let's check out other colors. Also, these by Anna Clean. Okay. Store price for this one is $24.99. All right, here we go. Look, this is structured brown bag for $17.99, and here we have this for backpack with this coins purse by Steve Madden, and this one, the price today is $29.99. Interesting. And down here we have this crossbody by Nightways, and this is $19.99. All right, here we have more bags. Interesting first for bag, and this was $79. Today you get for $17.99. Down here is this colorful crossbody bag by BB. This is $14.99. Here we have this bag. I love this structure. Okay, by GC Couture. This was $99. Today you get this for $24.99. More red box. Here we have this crossbody bag for store price is not on this one. Okay, more interesting bag by Nightways, and this one is $19.99. Okay, and look at what we got here. Interesting pink color by GC Couture. I love the straps. Okay, I love this handle. I love the length. Okay, and this was $99. Store price for this is $24.99. And look what we got here. This can serve as a good traveling bag, and this can serve as a very, good diaper bag. And this was $118. Okay, with other bags on it. Interesting. And this you get for $32.99. Behind is another interesting one by Kel Lagerfeld. This is $59.99. Yeah, interesting brand if you ask me. Let me take you to gift section. Let's see what we can grab there. Okay, here we got lots of interesting new gifts in the store. This is the time. Go to any Burlington near you now and grab you interesting gifts for your loved ones. Okay, stop by any Burlington and thank me later. This one is $64.99. Interesting brand, don't play. Okay, all right, so here is another good one. This one is $7.99. They have different types of gifts, affordable gifts. All right. Here we have body lotion. We have, perfume as well for $19.99. And yeah, see this Nicki Minaj Pink Friday. All right, and this is, how much is this? Yeah, no price on this. We may grab it extra. Okay, it's $19.99. Okay, so here we have this one body scrub. Let's see. This is just $5.99. Interesting. $5.99. It's so cool. The packaging is so good as well. And here we are looking at this. I saw this the last time. They brought out more. Okay, this one is body care sets. Let's see, by Tahari. Interesting brand. And this one is just $4.99. Tell me this is not interesting. This is so cool. And here we have this one by Tahari Body Care with makeup headband. All right, here you get body scrub, body butter, and this one is $7.99. All right, I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. For more gift sets, keep watching. Come back for more Burlington videos, and until next time, bye for now.